Good morning, student. So in previous video we already learned about what is meant by the complementary angle, types of the angles and the pairs of angle. So today we start the questions, okay? Because complementary and supplementary angles, the questions are on that concept we already taken. So today we are going to start the exercise wise question, okay? The first question is line AB and line CD intersect at point O. So this is of your line AB and this is the line CD. Both the lines are intersect at point O, where AOC plus angle BOE. AOC means this angle plus angle BOE means this angle. These two angles, the sum of these two angles is 70 degree. Okay? तो ये दोनों का जो एडिशन है, पर्टिकुलर एक एंगल नहीं दिया है, ये दोनों का एडिशन दिया है, कितना डिग्री दिया है 70 डिग्री. Similarly, angle BOD is equals to 40 degree. So this is of your BOD. So this become 40 degree. Got it? Now what we find? First we find BOE. Means ये वाला एंगल हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. Which one? BOE means this angle we want to find. अब ये एंगल फाइंड आउट करने के बाद हमको दूसरा एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है. कौन सा? रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE. तो COE मींस दिस एंगल. ये वाला हो गया आपका COE. मगर हमको क्या चाहिए? रिफ्लेक्स. रिफ्लेक्स मींस क्या हो गया? ये वाला हो जाएगा एंगल रिफ्लेक्स. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल मींस ग्रेटर देन 180 एंड लेस देन 360. So greater than 180 and less than 360, that angle means COE का रिफ्लेक्स फाइंड आउट करना है. तो पूरे एंगल में से मींस टोटल 360 में से एंगल COE क्या करेंगे? माइनस करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? So we start here from the first. First we consider these three angle. These three angle. Now see here. So these three angle form a straight line. क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म करते हैं. और जितने भी एंगल मिला के मींस सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल इज फॉर्म अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो नेचुरली सम ऑफ ऑल द थ्री एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. सो वी राइट एज एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल, सेकंड एंगल कौन सा है? एंगल COE plus angle BOE is equals to 180 degree. Angle AOC means this angle, COE means second angle, and angle EOB means this is the third angle, and the sum of all the three angle is equals to 180 degree because they are the straight angle. Straight angle. कौन सा एंगल है वो? Straight angles. So straight angle है तो एंगल का एडिशन कितना? 180 डिग्री. Now we find here angle AOC plus angle BOE. AOC plus BOE is equals to 70 degree. So sum of these two angle is equals to 70 degree. We put here plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle COE is equals to 180 minus 70 degree, that is angle COE is equals to 110 degree. Understood? So here we find angle COE. Now we find a reflex angle COE. COE का रिफ्लेक्स फाइंड आउट करना है. Therefore reflex angle COE is equals to 360 minus angle COE. So we already find angle COE, that is of equals to 360 minus 110, that is of equals to 250. So this become the angle रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE is equals to 250. तो यह एक एंगल मिल गया हमको. अब हमें चाहिए सेकंड एंगल BOE. BOE means this angle we want. Okay, this angle we want. So the same concept we can apply here also. Angle, now CD is nothing but one of the line, so angle COE, angle COE plus angle EOB plus angle BOD is equals to 180 because they form a straight angle. क्या form कर रहे हैं वो? Straight angle form कर रहे हैं. COE we already find 110 degree. So here we write 110 degree plus EOB. We don't have the value of EOB. So we write as a EOB को लिखेंगे हम लोग BOE. Same angle with different name. BOD, the value of BOD is given 40 degree. So we put here 40 degree, that is of equals to 180 degree. Okay. Therefore, 110 plus 40, so this become 150 degree plus angle BOE is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BOE is equals to what? 180 minus 150, that is of equals to angle BOE is equals to kitna? 30 degree. Got it? So here we complete the answer, that is angle BOE is equals to 30 degree and a reflex angle COE is equals to 250 degree. Now next question. Line XY means this is the line. Line MN, this is of your second line. Intersect at point O. O में intersect किया उसने. If angle POY is equals to 90 degree. So POY. So this angle is of equals to 90 degree. I will give here the sign. And A is to B means ratio is given 2:3. Then find the value of angle C. तो angle C यानी इसका C का measurement find out करना है हमको. अब हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले first of all what we consider, see here we consider the two angle first. Which one? This is one angle we consider and this is the another angle, means angle XOP plus angle POY is equals to 180 degree because they forming a linear pair. क्या फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? लीनियर पेयर. दो ही एंगल कंसीडर किए इसलिए हमने लीनियर पेयर बोला उसको. नाउ हियर POY is equals to 90 degree. It is already given. So angle XOP plus 90 degree is equals to 180. Therefore angle XOP is equals to 180 minus 90, that is of equals to 90 degree. This is equation number 1. Now what we do here XOP, this angle is divided into two parts. The first is A and B. So the ratio is given, the ratio of A is to B is given 2:3. And whenever the ratio is considered, we take the common multiple. So that common multiple be considered as a K. Common multiple be K. Let common multiple be K. हमने कॉमन मल्टीपल क्या कंसीडर किया? K. X इसलिए नहीं कंसीडर किया because X is already present in vertices. Therefore we consider the K. Therefore A is equals to 2K and B is equals to 3K. Got it? तो A is to B means 2:3 दिया है, तो A का वैल्यू हो गया 2K and B का वैल्यू हो गया 3K. Now angle XOP is divided into two parts. So angle XOM plus angle NOP is equals to angle XOP. Angle addition property. Sum of these two angle is equals to this angle. Now this is of measure 2K plus 3K is equals to angle XOP कितना है आपका? 90 degree. Therefore 2 plus 3 5K is equals to 90 degree. Therefore K is equals to 90 divided by 5. 90 divided by 5. तो 90 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 मींस कितना होगा 5 1 जा 5, कितना बचेगा 4, 5 8 जा 40, so k is equals to 18. So from this value of k we can find a and b. Therefore a is equals to 2k, that is of equals to 2 into 18, it means 36 degree, and b is equals to 3k, that is of equals to 3 into 18, 18 3s are 54. Okay, so angle A is equals to 36 and B is equals to 54. Now here we want to find angle C. Now if you see this, angle B and angle C, they form a linear pair. तो ये दोनों क्या फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? Linear pair. Therefore B plus C is equals to 180 degree because they forming a linear pair. Therefore the value of B is equals to 54. So here we write 54 plus C is equals to 180. Therefore C is equals to, here C is equals to 180 minus 54. So C is equals to 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. And 1 is as it is. Therefore the value of C is equals to 126. Now next question 3. From figure PQR is a triangle. Angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. So PQR means this angle and PRQ means this angle. These two angles are equal. We consider as a x. X consider किया जल्दी समझने के लिए. Then prove that PQS means this angle and PRT this angle means these two angles we want to show equal, congruent. Now equal का मतलब हो गया equal measurement, means if this PQR is equals to PRQ, it means these two angles having the same measure. Now here can we say that this form a linear pair? Yes, means these two angles forming a linear pair. So first of all, what is given information that we consider first. Angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ, और इसको कंसिडर किया हमने x इक्वेशन नंबर 1 which is given information. Understood? Because this is given information. Now angle PQR plus angle PQS. PQR means this angle, PQS means this angle. So these two angles forming a linear pair, and the sum of angle forming a linear pair is equals to 180 degree. That is of equals to 180 degree, equation number 2, because they forming a linear pair. Understood? Now what we get, next one, this is these two angles also forming a linear pair. So angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equals to 180 degree, equation number 3, because they are also forming a linear pair. ये दो एंगल भी क्या फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? लीनियर पेयर. अब फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 and 3, from 2 and 3, what we consider here, right hand side is equal. So from equation 2 and 3, what we observe? Right hand side is equal, and if the two equation having equal right hand side, it means that their left hand side is also equal. Therefore angle PQR plus angle PQS is equals to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Correct? Means यहाँ पे right hand side equal है, इसका मतलब left hand side equal हो गया. Here PQR means which? PQR x. So x plus angle PQS is equals to PRQ. PRQ also equals to x plus angle PRT. Now this x and x will be cancelled. Then what is the final answer? Angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. So in this way we can prove this angle PQS is equals to angle PRT.